Alright folks, just doing a quick video on adjustment of the shifter here. I've noticed that when I'm riding, my foot's sitting quite a bit lower, like down here. So there's a little bit of gap here, and when I'm going to shift down, it's basically it's uncomfortable for me to raise my foot high. So I'm going to lower this a little bit and see if I can get it a little more comfortable. Alright, in order to do this, pretty simple. First thing is disconnect this connector right here. Use a flathead screwdriver and push up on the connector. And you should be able to push it down and just pull it up like this. Alright, so after you disconnect here, the next step will be to remove this rubber piece, and you can unbolt this screw, or at least loosen it to begin with. This is a T30 Torx bit, and it's pretty loose, so it shouldn't be too much pressure to loosen this. Just like that. I'm going to leave it still bolted in, because I'm going to use a 7mm right here to hold this rod, and then I'm going to loosen both of the adjusters down here, and this is a 10mm. This one will spin to the left. I believe the top one is the same. Oh no, top one is to the right. Yep, there we go. Alright. You can take the screw out, just be mindful of the washer in the back. What I like to do, I generally just leave the screws back where I got them, so this way I remember where I came from. Okay, so basically I need to bring the shifter down a little bit, which means that I have to extend this rod. Honestly, in hindsight, I probably didn't have to loosen this one, but that's fine, I can tighten that up. So I'll give it a few turns, just to begin. Let's do 2 turns first. And let's see where that leaves the shifter. Alright, so I'll hold it here like this so I can kind of put my foot on the shifter and see how it feels for me now. Alright, that feels pretty good. Thinking if it's enough. Actually try leaning a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let's leave it there. Let's see how that works out for the next few rides. If I need to adjust it a little bit more, I'll just adjust it more. So I'll tighten this back down and then torque it. The other thing is we have to get this plugged back in. And the way that I remember this plug sitting, like there's this much play, so you want to make sure that this is sitting flush with the back plate because it has this much movement, and you want to allow movement on both directions. So the aim is to get this completely centered or aligned parallel to the plate in the back. So I'll start off with first tightening up this bolt. So this gets about right there. Hold this guy and snug it up. And then same thing with this. Now remember, this one's going to be tight into the right this time. Alright, so see, this is what you don't want. There's no play here. This thing is sitting against the front side, but there's a gap here in the back. So let me actually tighten this one up first. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen the bottom one. And allow it to rotate a little bit. And I remember last time I did this, I kind of aligned it towards the back, because I know it's going to end up pushing this way. So let's try that and see if that works. Okay. So now you see we have that play that I was talking about. Alright. Don't forget to push this pin in like that. And I'm going to go grab the torque wrench, torque this, and then I will let you all know how it feels. Alright, got this snug, got this piece snug, got this clip back in. We have the movement we're looking for. And the last step will be to put this back on. And as simple as that. Now this is sitting a little bit lower. I'll ride the bike a little bit, see how this feels now. If I need to do further adjustment, I might do one more turn, but I don't want to go too much and then have to go back. So let's start with this and then we'll see if we need another turn. Alright, thanks everyone for watching.